Lindsay Lohan, who's also missing something.
That's true.
It was not robbed from her, though. It was lost. It was actually, it's not funny. She almost lost her finger.
No, she did actually lose
Well, she lost part of her finger in a boating accident. She was in Turkey, off the coast of Turkey, with some friends. They were going to pull up anchor, and Lindsay thought that she could.
So she's in the ocean, and she decides to pull up the anchor herself, right?
Yeah, that's the part that doesn't make sense. Lindsay Lohan's on a boat with a bunch of people off the coast of Turkey, and she decides to do it herself, pull up the anchor. So what we're told happened is her finger gets caught in the rope anchor and rips the end of her finger off. And then she falls in the water because she's still connected to the rope. So I think just losing the tip of her finger was probably the best case scenario for what happened. So, you know, she could have gone under, but we're told that they actually found the tip of her finger on the boat.
On the boat.
And they took it with them to the emergency room, and a plastic surgeon sewed it back on.
So here's.
So we have a photo.
Yeah, we got the whole thing on the website if you want to go to the website at your own risk.
We had to blur it a little bit there, but you can see how much bleeding was going on.
It's the picture is gnarly.
Yeah.
It is bad, but I don't know. I'm going to go out on a total limb here. There might have been some drinking involved in the boat.
You think? That could happen totally sober, though.
Absolutely, it
But
could.
yes, there probably.
It could also happen with liquor.
Why would Lindsay touch the anchor? Yeah.
No,
a couple beers later, I want to do the anchor myself.
Lindsay grew up like boating out in Long Island and stuff like that. She thought it was, you know, you're with new friends, you want to show off a little bit. She's like, you know, I can hoist the anchor. Let's do this.
Like I said, it sounds like drinking to me.
Yeah. She actually
described drunk.
Yeah, she actually described the injury afterward. Here's how she. Just look at the. Ugh, it's gruesome.
This is the result of me trying to help anchor the boat by myself. My poor finger.
God,
Yeah.
it's.
Oh, by the way,
Is she
you
at
can
a
see
rave? What was
that's
her music blaring in the
That's her
background?
left hand.
She's parked.
It's her ring.
It's a ring finger.
Yeah.
Hey,
So-
Igor, see what you did?
Wait, she didn't have the ring on at the time, right?
No, I don't know that she has the ring anymore.
Well, no, she's been wearing it.
Oh, she's wearing the
She's been wearing
the
it on and
engagement
off.
ring?
Yeah. So.
Hi, I'm Harmony Samran. I'm calling from Montreal, Canada. I have to go with Harvey. She honestly doesn't have a good track record. I honestly believe that there must have been some type of drinking involved. I know this could happen when she's sober, but her track record isn't all that great. And I mean, it's a little weird that Lindsay Lohan of all people would get up and try to hoist her an anchor. It doesn't add up for me.
Yeah, I mean, there must have been a crew in this boat if the boat's that big that they're anchoring the boat in the middle of the ocean. So that's why I'm just thinking this was probably a fairly big boat.
I'd like to retract my statement upon further review of
About the drinking?
facts. Yeah, she was drinking.
Yeah.